Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on OnePlus Ace 3V. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, then click install. Now you can click open and click this button to skip introduction. Now click open permissions and click on AI Assistant. Then click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and you can click back and click back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is your ChatGPT widget, and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.